Our Bible verse today is from 2 Chronicles chapter 23, verse 16. Jehoiada made a covenant between himself, all the people, and the king that they should be the Lord's people. This is the word of the Lord. Faithful God, thank you for welcoming us home again and again, renewing us a heart that longs to be yours. Restore our joy, our trust, and our love for you and your people. May our lives reflect the beauty of belonging to you. Amen.
The veil was torn, the path made clear, a vow of love, no need for fear. You call us home, we're yours again. Through ashes, through years, your promise appears. We belong to you, renewed by grace.